Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try marketgurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously. Create dozens of quick lists. Display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Swing Trading Show. It's approximately 12:35, so the show will be around 17 minutes like regular. It will not stop in 10 minutes, but more around 10 before 1. All the markets are positive right now. We start negative on the Nasdaq, but around 10 we make the low, and since then we're pushing higher. On the Dow Jones, it's industrial stock, were the stronger one. United Technology is stronger, and all the healthcare, Johnson & Johnson, Pfizer are in breakdown. So it's the bank, it's the industrial stock, and the technology stock, the big large cap like Apple, IBM, Google rebound also. So the SPY is also positive. And on the TSX, it wasn't the resource at the morning. Mining was nice, gold was nice, but right now it's discretionary consumption. It's a new breakout on discretionary consumption, but the stock are not in a new breakout. It's stock like Magna, Linamar, Transcontinental, who are all in an upper trend and not breaking out today. For stable consumption, it's Couche-Tard is rebounding. Couche-Tard was losing around 2% yesterday. He's rebounding today. Financial sector again in Canada and the States, they are both stronger. In Canada, the Bank of Canada leave the rate at 0.5, so the Canadian dollar pushed a little bit at first. Now I think he's in correction, but it's discretionary, stable, finance and industry, the strong sector. On the TS6 and technologies, it's CGI who rebounding from the loss of yesterday. We have opened the question bar, so I have 2 questions. I will answer it later during the show, and you can ask for any question. If we look at the resource sector, we had the oil inventory today at 10:30. First quote was positive. After we make a breakdown, it's where all the resource starts to go lower. The mining and energy rebound, but now we're back around the neutral formation. So it's a big neutral formation on the USO. On the gold, it's deflating since the beginning of the day, but not a lot. And silver, it's stronger. But look at the gold sector. The gold sector is still at the top. So we didn't have the weakness in the gold sector that we had in the mining and that we had also in the physical gold asset. So gold is all always to monitor in the afternoon for a new movement. We talked about the gold in the last couple of shows. I think it's the sector that we had to monitor right now. Tomorrow we'll have the ECB, the announcement. We expect the ECB to keep everything, but the most important about the ECB meeting tomorrow will be what Mario Draghi said about the end of the program that was supposed to be in March 2017. I think if he expand for another 3 to 6 months or at the end of 2017, it will be positive for the gold on the short term, and also probably probably positive for the market. It's not usual that both sectors go in the same direction, but if they continue to inject money in the system, rates will stay low, and also money will stay easy to have a loan and to invest and make a difference because of the interest rate. So it's the reason why stock market should be positive, and also gold should be positive, because if they continue to inject money, it's positive for gold. But after that, we will have next week the Fed, the FOMC announcement next Wednesday, and this it's probably at 100% that the market is pricing a rate hike. I think since the market know they will have a rate hike, I don't expect a big movement like we have last year when we hiked the rates on December 15, and after that we push for the Christmas holiday rally, and starting in January we have the major correction for 6 weeks. I don't expect that we will have a lot of movement like that next year at the beginning of 2017, because market expect a rate hike. We have a rate hike because the bonds rate are higher, and financial stock will see that positive, and for the other sector, they could easily know how to adjust to a new environment. And if we have a rate hike, it's also because we think that the growth will be stronger with the new Trump infrastructure plan, and this is positive for the business environment. So we go to the pause, and we will finish with the sector and answering your question.
Find answers to your questions by emailing your host at btm@decisionplus.com.
5 good reasons to manage your investments with National Bank Direct Brokerage. Commission fees fixed at $9.95 anytime for all clients, and starting at only $6.95 for active investors. No administrative fees if you hold at least $20,000 in your accounts. Registered accounts available in U.S. currency. Powerful tools to help you manage your portfolio. Award-winning customer service and satisfaction levels amongst the highest in the industry. To learn more, visit nbdb.ca or call us now.
Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try marketgurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above.
So I just want to show you the big movement. So discretionary consumption is a clear breakout. Should be great when we look at this, but look, it's Magna up 5%, but the breakout was 5 days ago. Linamar, the breakout was a week ago, December 1st. Today, Martinrea, I'm not a big fan of this breakout, so I prefer to play the stock in day trading than as a regular breakout. We have also Transcontinental, who had a great earning yesterday, continue to push. So if you have open any of these positions, and particularly Linamar or Magna, I think it's time for you to take profit on your position, just a small profit. It's a really big move. We also have Healthcare. We're not in a good position. It's not far from a breakdown again on Valiant. CRH, if you have opened a position on the breakout Monday on a new low, you should close the position. And Prometric Life Science also continue to be weak. It was a breakdown yesterday, so we continue the move, but we have an important super around 175, so we could go there and have a rebound like we had there or there, and it could be a fast movement if we have a rebound. But for the moment, it's not the time to open position. We have to wait for the 190, 170, And if you have position in the stock and you didn't close there or there, I don't think that it's a good point to close the position right now. Steel was really strong today. We had the breakout Monday. We continue breakout on the Rio Tinto, not far from BHP. After that, we have Labrador Iron Ore. It's a stock that we recommend in the analyst portfolio on Monday. So we're not far from being able to take a first profit. Valley deflate. ArcelorMittal. This is the steel sector. It's more for day trading position. So we had a nice entry points there or there. Arcelor, United States Steel 5%. Cliff less strong, AK Steel 5%. So a couple of nice stock, and also we have a rebound in the marijuana stock today. It was interesting this morning. They are completely flat right now. I think we could have another push. I will only trade these stock right now for day trading because we're still in the downtrend. So we could have another push in the afternoon, but tomorrow we could go in correction. I prefer a stock like Afria, double bottom, stay in its upper trend for me because it was less like a super movement than Canopy. I feel it's stronger. We could rebound up to 564, so it's another 40 cents approximately. The stock was a nice couple of movement. The next one will be just higher than 522. We also have Organigram with stronger than Canopy. So I prefer right now Afria and Organigram if you want to trade, and marijuana stock. Pharmacam also is interesting. This is it right now. We'll go to the questions. So I have a lot of questions from Jean, who will start with TEN on New York. Tenneco, a buy now? No. Tenneco, it's in discretionary consumption, one of the strongest sector. It's an car, automobile piece. So it's like Magna, same business. Then Magna, the breakout was yesterday on the stock, and the breakout was more around 61.30 with a close with an exit points around 58. Right now it's too far away from to be a good buy. HGD, a buy? I don't think that HGD is a buy on the support. Like I said with the ECB tomorrow, I think that they could announce something that will be positive on the short term on the gold. We had a big downward movement on the gold also, so I don't expect next week with the Fed a big downward movement. I think that the gold, we have priced the increase of the rate next week at 11.75. We could have a short-term move next Wednesday because the gold always move on the FOMC, but I don't expect a big movement, so I don't expect a big rebound on HGD. And on the short term, I think that the gold could push on the upside. HBM bought Monday 10,000 at 9.37 and 2,000 at 9.53. So you bought 2 times Monday. HBM TS6 is now at 9.43, so it's probably your average price probably be around 9.45 or something like that because you bought more at 9.53. It's really simple. I don't know if the mining will honestly continue. Right now, it's if we make another move on the downside, we could have correction on the stock. On the upside, it will be positive for you. But I will wait for the moment. You could close some position at 907 if you're afraid with your position of around $30,000. But at 867, it's clear that it will be a movement where you will have to close everything. If you want to decrease your position around 910, it will be positive. And if we have a breakout, it will be good. But for the moment, it doesn't seem like that. You also bought tech at 1720. Oh no, it was Jack and now it's John. Sorry. So it's not the same person. I will have said that sometimes it's not good to buy too much stock on the same sector. Say if you have ODB, it's same thing than tech or First Quantum. You don't need to buy all the sector. Or if you want to invest 10,000, you could invest 5 in each, but don't over invest in one sector. But tech at 1720. Okay, but 1720, you are 33.41, so you're near doubling your position. You have 2 options. You can take a first profit right now, or you could take the first profit at 31.50. But I will So worst case, I will absolutely take a first profit around 31.50 on the stock, but I will keep a large position. You're still in a big profit, and you could wait for the second movement. First movement, take a profit, and if we break the upper trend, close the position. So Jack bought Monday 1,000 share at 15.93 of First Quantum. So you have a position of like $45,000 in the copper. If you have a big portfolio, it's okay, but I don't think that we should invest more than 10 to 15% in one sector and one stock. So if you have a portfolio to trade of $500,000, it's correct. If you're lower, you seem to be a little bit too exposed on a sector that has a really big ride also. So the ride on First Quantum start at $10. Now we are at $15.61. So again, I think if the stock goes to 15, you could close, but you absolutely need to close if the stock goes to 14.30. So this is it. It's the end of the show. So market continue to push on NASDAQ, Dow, and SPY. All the market, not NASDAQ, but the Dow Jones, it's a new all-time high. And also on the SPY, it's the third day that the SPY is pushing, is making new all-time high. We don't have a lot of breakout for the moment, but the best place to invest, it will be in the sector that start breaking out today, like in Canada discretionary consumption, but it's more the stock that are in upper trend since a couple of the day who are pushing higher. So for the moment, we don't have a lot of place to invest money for the day, but keep your position and take profit when you have opportunity. Have a nice day, everyone. See you next week on next Wednesday, December 14.